So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to recover Snapchat account without phone number and also email. So guys, lot of Snapchat user reported to hack Snapchat account after can't login in iPhone and Android devices. So guys, how to recover hack Snapchat account without phone numbers and also email in iPhone and Androids. Snapchat account hack after hacker also changed the email ID numbers, also usernames, all details change in your Snapchat account. So guys, but still how to recover Snapchat account on iPhone and Android devices. So guys, in this video I will show you how to recover hack Snapchat account without number and email. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. So guys, first of all open the any browser in iPhone and Android devices. Then you can see also top corner search bar. So please search bar search Snapchat support. Then you can see also snapchatsupport.com official website of Snapchat support. So please tap on that. Then you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone and Android devices. Then contact us. So please tap on that. Then you can see also first option is my account login. So please select the my account login in iPhone and Android same both. So guys, after you can see also list of reason in my account login. After you can see also fourth options, I think my account was hacked in iPhone and Android devices. So guys, please select the I think my account was hacked in iPhone and Android. If you believe your account has been compromised, please change your password as soon as possible and check the email address and mobile number associated with your account are accurate in Snapchat settings. After select the yes button in iPhone and Android devices, then you can see also first option is username. So please enter your correct username in iPhone and Android. Then second option is email. So please linked email address enter in iPhone and Android devices. Then third option is mobile number. So please correct enter your mobile number in iPhone and Android. Then fourth option is what information should we know. So guys, please enter your correct informations like I can't log in my Snapchat account. Also when I enter username password that time so your password wrong. I think my Snapchat account hack. So then enter after you can see also send option. So please tap on send and easy to recover Snapchat account in your iPhone and Android devices. Fill the form after some time wait, then Snapchat support team also review the all details about your Snapchat account. If your details is correct, then easy to recover your Snapchat account in iPhone and Android both same devices. I hope this trick working for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also the press bell icon and also the follow my Instagram account. Thank you so much.